Hello and welcome again to Agata's Kitchen. Today we will be making keto chocolate mug cake. So for all of you who are on a keto diet, on a low carb diet, or just need gluten-free alternative to a simple mug cake, this is gonna be perfect recipe. We just need few ingredients, so keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. So to make our cake, we're gonna need a kitchen scale. We are gonna use grams today, so make sure that you have a scale that is using grams. We need a small bowl. You don't need it to be super big because it's just gonna be one portion. Then for ingredients, 1 egg, almond flour. As you can see, I have Spanish version, and mine is showing 8.8 carbs for 100 grams. Cocoa powder, unsweetened. Xylitol or Erythritol, don't use stevia. Baking powder. So first we're gonna break an egg and whisk it. Now we're gonna add our almond flour. We're using 28 grams. Our cocoa powder, 5 grams will be enough. Don't put too much because it's gonna become bitter. Now I'm putting the sweetener. I like it quite sweet, so I went with 20 grams. And half a teaspoon of baking powder. Now we mix it all together. Now when everything is mixed, don't forget to grease your mug with some sort of oil. I just used butter. And we're putting everything into our mug. Now we're going to put it into microwave and microwave it not on the full power for around a minute. Now you can play with it a little bit depending what consistency you like. And when the minute is finished, here it is. Very nice. So now you can see that this one was quite firm, but I also made a little bit more moist consistency, and this is the one that we're going to be trying now.
So here we have it.
Keto chocolate mug cake. Shall we try?
Yes, so we're going to try for texture first.
Yes, let's go.
Go. Oh, good texture.
How much?
Straight away I'm giving this a 5.
Are you giving it a 5?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna give it a 5 as well. I actually make it nice and moist. You can choose the texture, but it's really good.
That's good. Definitely a 5 for me.
Okay, taste-wise.
Okay, so taste-wise, well.
I'm giving this 5 out of 5.
Taste-wise.
Clearly he's not keto.
4.
4.
Still good, but I'm giving it a 4.
Yes. Now, could you call it a chocolate cake?
Okay. Well, I think it's damn close.
Yeah, I would call it
I'm
chocolate
going to
cake.
say a 5. This is a big success.
Yes.
It's good. Definitely worth it.
Very,
Definitely
very
try it. You'll love it.
Okay.
Absolutely love it.
It's very delicious. We're gonna finish it now, and a very important thing, it just has 3 grams of net carbs. So all of you keto, low carb, gluten-free folks can enjoy it without guilt. See you in the next episode.
I'm definitely going to make a coffee because I'm not a coffee addict.
Not at all.
I'm going to have my 4th cup of coffee of the day. I'm going to have it.
It's mine, you're not keto.
With this delicious keto cupcake. Enjoy.